Hi, I just wanted to demonstrate how I modified my coffee grinder, and I'm using it with a cordless drill instead of a handle. This is a Hario model manual coffee grinder, MSS-1. I bought it on Amazon. It's got two parts, top and the bottom. You screw it together. Now, you normally would put this handle on and turn around the top manually. What I did, I jammed this socket on here. It's a 1/4 inch on both sides, and it's jammed on permanently. I don't think I could pull it off if I want to, but yeah, I'm going to use my cordless drill instead of using the handle. And measured out a couple tablespoons of coffee here. I'm pour it in. Put the top back on. Don't want to grind too fast, don't want to abuse the wheels. And there you go. It's enough coffee for about 2 cups.